Welcome to our discussion on car braking systems. Today, we'll explore the mechanics of disc and drum brakes and how anti-lock braking systems, ABS, enhance safety on the road. Disc brakes utilize braking pads that press against a rotating disc, causing the disc to heat up and brake the car. This type of braking is efficient, but less reliable due to the risk of overheating and braking fade. On the other hand, drum brakes use braking shoes that rub against a rotating drum, which also causes heat loss and braking fade. ABS is an advanced braking system that prevents wheel locking, improving overall braking performance and safety. In summary, disc brakes offer superior efficiency, but can experience issues like overheating and braking fade. Drum brakes are less efficient, but provide better reliability and safety with ABS. ABS systems work together with your car's suspension and steering system to maintain proper traction and control during emergencies.